Ashley. And I can't cross my eyes. Is it crossed yet? Is it working now? Is it working? Yesterday, I had a test in every class. I think my tests went pretty darn awful! Especially chemistry. I mean, seriously, I just can't grasp the concept of it. I really can't. Yeah, the teacher, he gets on my nerves sometimes. There's this thing he always does. He'll be teaching, let's say, a polyatomic ion or something. This is a polyatomic ion. Boo-boo-boo-boo. Stupid. Why would you make sound effects like that? I think it's the music he listens to. Ah! Excuse me. You want some? Here, you can watch this clip of me and my cousin dancing. And we're rolling the clip. Let's roll it. Let's roll it. It's a sexy bitch. A sexy bitch. It's a sexy bitch. Damn, girl. Damn, it's a sexy bitch. A sexy bitch. The DJ plays my song and I feel alright. So I put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away. There apparently is a Paranormal Activity alternative ending. And so my mom, my dad, and my brother really wanted to watch the alternative ending because they wanted to see how different it was from the original one. So they searched it up on YouTube because it was on YouTube. And wasn't as good as the original ending, I'm guessing, because they were like, oh, that ending is stupid. Well, I watched the little bit of the ending, but not really because I got scared. I mean, the sounds, whoo-wee! I can't even look at it. I get scared just listening to it. Oh, yes. Really? It's that time already? I bet you that I can have these three in my mouth with one try. Oh! Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. Found it. See, I told you guys I could do it all one try. Anyways, my friend Alicia, she has a channel, and it's basically about how to put on makeup or some sort of thing. So if you're a girl, and if you're not a girl, you can still check it out. Check her out below here. Here's her username somewhere below. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
It's the risk that I'm taking. I am never gonna shut you out.